you give us like a preview of what a special psychotherapy means for abandonment issues?
Well, these are exercises, and they're doing exercises. One of the exercises is kind of a Buddhist Zen yoga type of exercise, but really it doesn't have to be Eastern in the way that we see it. It's Eastern and Western. It is getting into the moment. It's purposely situating yourself in somewhere in your life where you can let the background noises come in and the sights, and you can be conscious of this is the moment. And the moment is now, and actually get into the moment so that when you're anxious, you can use that skill of getting into the moment. When you're sad, you can say, I can either be sad about something that happened or worried about something that may happen, or I can be in this moment. So that's one of the exercises, and it's very spelled out, and it's an actual doing exercise. And then there's the dialogue of taking yourself and dividing yourself into sort of two personifications, two parts, the adult self and the very small inner child self, and having a dialogue where your adult self asks your child self how it feels, what it needs from you, what's not happening that it wants, what is causing disappointment, what can it do, what can you do as the adult to make your inner child self feel safer, more comfortable, more loved, and hearing that response, and then trying to get that inner child to talk more and more. That's a dialogue. And then there are very directed visualizations that involve the use of future in kind of a new way, in a very therapeutic way. And you're forming images in your mind of where your life is going, of your future self. And then you are doing a series of things that are spelled out in a structured exercise in order to really exercise your brain in thinking about what your future self, which is a positive image, might be doing or thinking or feeling. And this is sort of food for the brain. It's creating all these positive images. It's a form of physical therapy for the brain. And then there's the recognition of the outer child, which is the part that sabotages. So there are actually three parts. There's the adult self, the inner child self, and then the outer child, which is the acting out part, the part that breaks our diet and gets attracted to all the wrong people. So I'm just giving you some of the ideas of what the exercise program is like, but it's very active and very doing.
Okay, so if people wanted to learn more about these exercises or these methods, where can they find it?
My website is abandonment.net, and many of them are mentioned there, but I have a workbook, Journey from the Abandonment Recovery workbook, that spells the exercises out step by step.
Can they also have like one-on-one consultation with you?
I do on a limited basis. I do one-on-one consultations on a private basis, and I'm doing ongoing series of online workshops that are five sessions each, and they help walk people through the program, the exercise program.